Hello all, we are going to view Vane's up-down configuration parameters. Group objects that control the up and down position of the vanes of the indoor unit can be activated with this parameter. When enabled, group objects will become available. The 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 values sent to the control object determine the up-down position of the vanes, while the value 6 will cause these vanes to move periodically. When the indoor unit switches to the corresponding control value, feedback will be sent via status object. Please refer to your product manual for the availability of the up-down vanes in your indoor unit and the number of vane positions it supports. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.